I'm just making a random video because, you know, make some more videos. What's new and exciting? Well, I got some good news. My whole shop's moving. This is the I don't know when. I'm waiting for the other place to be cleaned out, and this whole thing is being washed away and moved to another shop. That'll be my fourth garage I've had. But first I had my original one, and then that one got all debauchled, and I moved it into a spot which store my cars. I was using stuff in there. Well, half my equipment didn't get used for 3 or 4 years. I know it was kind of depressing because it was all packed in a closet, and I had to like use stuff and whatever. So got kind of hidden in the back room, and then I moved a lot of it somewhere in my other garage, my building. Then we built this one. It's a complete disaster, and there's a new one coming. And the best part is it's twice the size. Yeah, twice the size. This one's about 30 by 22. The other one's about 30 by 40. I could fit everything in this garage on one half fit and still have a shop. So what I'm planning on doing with the new one is probably gonna spread things out a little. I'll have a place to put my car, I'll have a place to put my mule, I'll have a place to possibly store my 8-inch tractor outside, haul it in, put on blocks, get it working, and I should have a spot to put the ATV. All these top shelves, I probably will take them out and, I don't know, dismantle and bring them over there. I'm not sure how I'm going to bring this 12 billion pounds of junk, because I have anvils that weigh several hundred pounds. I have and I know plenty of my plenty of people on YouTube have machinery probably 10 times as heavy. Like my toolbox probably was 1,000 pounds, the shipment. My milling machine I think weighs 750 pounds. My bender, which is behind here, weighs 300 pounds. My welding table's under 300 pounds. I have a lathe over there that weighs 300 pounds. I have about 300 pounds of scrap wood. I've got welding machine. A lot of stuff's on wheels. The welding table will probably get hauled over by forklift. Yeah, there's a forklift that's going to move some of the shit. I have in front of me, after I made a nice storage bench for all my steel, gotta take it apart and move it over there. So it's going to be a real trip. My plan of attack is take some of the tools, whatever I can roll out of there, and then basically put it in piles and put like put the metal in one pile and put the other stuff in one pile and just try to figure it out. And I'm thinking I might make a small little room for grinding, but I'm not a professional shop, so why bother? I would. And what else? I don't know. It's gonna be a trip. I mean, I don't have a lot of stuff, but I gotta bring that thing and take that off the wall. It's a debacle because nobody likes. Like once you're in a shop, who the hell wants to move? But I'm moving. Oh yeah, over there. And then eventually, next to our new house, I would like to put it on a shop behind there, so it's next to the house. How far is it from our house? How far is the shop? It's only about a couple of 100 feet away, so it's not that good. But when you have 30 feet of grass to bring stuff with wheels on and heavy shit, I guess I'm probably gonna buy 4 sheets of 3/4 inch plywood and just put them out there, so we can roll a forklift across it. I'm gonna have to get bins of probably make a skid with a bin, so I can put stuff in it and you can pick it up and just move it, and empty it out and bring it back. There's a lot of work, a lot of stuff. Good part is I'll have a place to put drill press after drill press after bandsaw after grinder after grinder after grinder after grinder after grinder, because I have 6 grinders I use. Why do I have 6? Because that one's a coarse one, that one's a fine one, that one's got a wire brush on it, that one is just really old, not plugged in, that one's just for thoriated tungsten, and all the rest are just grinders. So it's going to be a stickler. Plus, I'm pretty sure I will probably make a video of it, but I'm do I really want to? What a boring video watching. If I can figure out a way to time lapse it, I'm not an expert video maker, so If I could figure out a time lapse, it'd be pretty cool. Put it in there. I'm hoping the place is completely empty when I move in there, because I know the building's getting a new roof, I was told, because I guess it leaks. There needs to be a security gate one side, because there's another father-in-law's garage on the other side. We're going to put a gate in there and we're going to close off. I hope the other side's going to be closed off. And only me and him are getting the key, which is fine. It's his building, but I know it's nothing wrong with that. I trust him with all my stuff. It's everyone else in the world I don't trust when it comes to certain things, but that's another whole thing. So there's just a lot of loose shit. Plus, I probably have to put a trash can out here and take a lot of junk out. Like, and it sucks because it's like you organize all your little things, and then you gotta like, how do I get all these little things out of here? Because like I have little pieces of metal I organize in the shelf over there, and yeah, I don't use them every day, but they're little pieces that when you want one, it's there, just whatever. And then there's, I only have one bench for this, and I have one bench back there with a pile of shit. So I'm like, I know I'm gonna have to build some benches because that bench is connected to the wall. It's just a scrap thing with a steel rack on it. So I'm like, I don't want to do it, but it's gonna happen. So anyway, that's me rambling away. When will it happen? I don't know. Another month or two. By the time I upload the videos, it'll be like 3 or 4 months. So thanks for watching, Toodles, and hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks.